HQC, High Quality Connections. The planning stage. I am a stay-at-home mom, so most of my conversations that I have consistently are with my family. I would like to have better HQC with my husband. He works over 60 hours a week and comes home very tired, so a lot of our conversations are strained and not how I want them to turn out. We have had issues with feeling heard because at the end of the day, we are both very tired, and that makes it so we both are very sensitive and things are easily misunderstood. I would like to implement HQC by conveying presence through better body language and techniques and expressing recognition. Some desired outcomes I would like to see from doing this are both of us feeling more understood and valued. I would also like to continue being the go-to person for my husband, and I think by showing him better body language when he is talking to me, that can be achieved. The execution stage. I approached this scenario by making sure I had dinner made for him when he got home and his place set at the table so he could sit down right away and feel and hope a bit more relaxed after a long day. It was really funny because when he did come in the door and seeing that he had his dinner out on the table, he was looking at me and almost the way you would look if you missed a special occasion like an anniversary or something. So it was kind of funny. But almost immediately, Scotty started telling me about his day, and I made sure while he was doing so that I stopped doing what I was doing and gave him my full attention by showing eye contact and keeping still. I also tried to show recognition by telling him how thankful I am that he is such a hard worker and by asking questions to show interest in what he was telling me. By doing those things, I noticed the excitement in his tone, and I felt he was more relaxed than usual. I was surprised and grateful for the change. He was looking at me and smiling, and you could just tell that he was happy that we were having the conversation and that he was excited to tell me about his day. The reflection stage. My feelings during the interaction was excitement. I was excited to try something new that in hopes would help us have better high quality connections. I learned a lot while reading about HQC. At any point of contact with another person, it can potentially be a high quality connection. I want to start striving to have more HQC because according to the article, people who have HQC experience more energy and more positive emotions such as joy, interest, and love. And hey, who doesn't want all of that? I mean, come on. I will continue to show good body language techniques when others are communicating with me, and I also want to show more effective listening skills. I think both of these also play a huge role in both the AI experiments and to the feedback loop with my peers. I want them to feel important and that they are being heard. And you have that in both the A1 technique and when you're writing back to your peers.